I did to solve this problem was I multiplied 17 and 82 hundredths times 22 and 4 tenths, and I got 399 and 168 thousandths.
What I did was multiply 22 and 4 tenths with 17 and 82 hundredths, and I got 399 and 168 thousandths.
I strongly agree with Isaac's and Anthony's solution because I also did the same thing. I read the question in my head and I saw that one of the numbers was 22 and 4 tenths and the other one was 17 and 82 hundredths, and so I multiplied those two numbers, and I also got 399 and 168 thousandths.
I approached the problem the same way, but after I was done, my results did end up in a different answer. So I redid it, made sure I understood, and then I realized what I got wrong is I put the numbers in the wrong column, so that made me off my answer off a little, and that also resulted me to like a really off answer. But then I realized what I did wrong would have got me the same answer as what you guys got. So next time I would know to do that.
I agree with all of you guys that you got 399 and 168 thousandths because I did multiply 22 and 4 tenths and 18 and 82 hundredths. And I did remember that when you're multiplying decimals that you can't line them up, because if they're not like in the, if there's like if there's one digit and then another digit before the decimal, and then there's like two after the decimal, and then the other number, there's one decimal. You'll try to line them up so it's not difficult. And so I did that, and then I also got the answer 399 and 168 thousandths. Before you begin, may I say something? You said that you've got the wrong answer
And also the decimal.
Because how? Explain to me, please.
What I did is I accidentally lined up the decimal, which I realized was going to get me an off answer, which I just realized when Arabella was talking.
Actually, I also did that mistake because I put the number right there, but then I realized, no, that's not how it works, because that number doesn't have another number to multiply by, and that will make it harder for it to work. So to make sure that doesn't happen, I moved my numbers over one, and I was able to multiply and get the same answer, but I almost did that mistake.
So did you guys answer the entire question?
No, we still need a sentence.
The student said that we need to do a sentence.
And Gunner can use up to 399 and 168 thousandths of gas tank.
What I wrote was, Gunner can use up to 399 and 168 thousandths gallons of gas.
May I interrupt for a minute? It said the question wasn't how many gallons of gas. It said how many miles can I don't know how to pronounce his name, Gunner, travel if he uses all of the gas in his gas tank. Not how many gallons of gas he can use. So the sentence that I put is Gunner can travel 399 and 68 thousandths miles if he uses all of the gas in his tank.
I agree with Brianna that the question is asking how many miles Gunner can travel if he uses all of the gas in the gas tank,
because since Isaac and Anthony wrote how much gas you can use, which is part of the question, but what not the question is asking. And so what I wrote for my sentence is Gunnar can travel 399 and 168 miles if he uses all of the gas in the gas tank.
So after hearing Brianna and Bella's response, do you feel like you need to change yours, or do you disagree with them? How do you feel now?
Now I feel like I need to change my sentence
And why?
because I put how many gas he has and not how many miles he can travel.